Meaning of Dominican.
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 Dominican. Dominican has multiple meanings depending on the context. As a noun, it can refer to a person from the Dominican Republic or a member of the Order of Preachers, a Catholic religious order also known as the Dominicans. As an adjective, it can describe something related to the Dominican Republic or the Dominican order. The term Dominican is derived from the Latin word Dominicus, meaning of the Lord. Overall, Dominican refers to people or things associated with the Dominican Republic or the Dominican order.